Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate audience engagement with ClickFunnels. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your ClickFunnels account. Once logged in, navigate to the funnel you want to automate audience engagement for. Select the specific page within your funnel that will host the engagement feature. Click on the Edit Page button to access the page editor. In the editor, locate the section where you want to add automation features. Choose a pop-up or a form element from the left-hand sidebar. Drag and drop the selected element into your desired location on the page. Next, configure the settings of the pop-up or form. Click on the element to open its settings panel. Here, you can customize the title, description, and any call to action buttons. Now, set up the automation for collecting audience information. Scroll to the Integrations tab within the settings. Connect your email marketing platform by selecting it from the drop-down menu. Map the form fields to match the corresponding fields in your email list. Click Save to apply these integrations. Next, head over to the Settings tab within your funnel. Activate the automation by turning on the Enable Notifications toggles. You may want to create triggers based on user actions. Set conditions such as page views or specific button clicks for the automation to initiate. Once the conditions are configured, return to your page editor. Preview your changes to ensure everything is functioning correctly. After confirming, click Save and then exit to leave the editor. Test the automation by viewing the funnel in preview mode. Interact with the pop-up or form to confirm that data is being collected. Finally, monitor your email marketing platform for captured leads. This ensures your audience engagement is effectively automated with ClickFunnels. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.